Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people faces. No matter how them are going, like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Zajai.
What was it like being inside prison?
Hell. I'm here to tell the youth them stay out of.
Alright, yeah, guys are messing.
Yeah, man, I just said.
Big up yourself. Hold on. Mama try to take care of me now. I mean, nothing to do that boy, you know? For the guys now. Hold on.
Yeah. One done. I'm a baby. Kiss me, baby.
Now, may I elaborate a little on Vybz Cartel. Now, out of all the excitement since him come out of jail, I think enough of the youths have missed the message where Cartel sent. And believe me, I respect him for that, yo. By far, him are the greatest dancehall artist on the planet. The man is a living legend. Him are the most lyrical artist in the reggae music. He has created history in the Jamaican justice system. His case have highlighted constitutional issues that we have with the Jamaican justice system. And to me, like I said, me is a constitutional champion. Me is a nationalist. And, you know, boy, the hindsight, you know, Vybz Cartel really do the right thing because Jamaica needed this, and the appeal court judge them, like me say, run out on them and send a message. Remember, the cartel lawyer them put through 12 items them bring to the court, which I guess violating constitutional right, and the judge them on the High Court agreed. And me, I've always been saying these are the things we need to look into, and if we can get some of these things right, because I'm quite sure right now me know a friend of mine have a brother in a GP and are the same thing like Cartel. You understand? But without the right resources, you cannot, you know, achieve certain things. You know, so Cartel is definitely a international figure and influencer. No, me don't want to get too lost on what me have to say. No, it seems to me the first thing him say, tell the youth them, prison was hell. When you hear what the man say, I want to hear that, you know. Him say prison, it's hell, and the youth them fi stay out of fuckery. When you hear what me I say, stay out of fuckery. Now, this is the message when we want to hear out there with all of this. And if Cartel can come with some more of this, Jano, it will help change the dancehall. Because right now, you know, on a entertainment
Don't forget to
level,
like
you
and
know,
subscribe.
enough of them artists here we out here now, we say them are artists. We don't have to shape up on the folly grounds, you know. Cause the Cartel come back now. And we have to go start prove on the skills and prove why one is relevant. Which one of you want to stand up on Cartel, eh? You're madman. So, yo, this is a good look overall for the Jamaican music, for the Jamaican justice system, and this really good for the Caribbean system, because a lot of countries they rule underneath the Privy Council and there is a lot of injustice going on. I know, I've been around the block. St. Lucia is the poster boy for that, and Trinidad are the poster girl for that. You understand? And we can get into more. But yeah, this is a new era, a new relevancy. Jamaica, the justice system, what they need to do now is revamp that whole thing and try and get, you know, the community man like Cartel, certain man now for come in and send some better message to the young youths them and make them know, say, prison a hell and a fuckery. We know say prison is a business, you know, and crime is a business. So when you see the gun them with the police them have a Jamaica, you understand? And we see all them flex. We see all the bad man them go on, and we see all the dirty police them go on. So this is a breakthrough, and the government, whether the culture minister or whoever, security minister, needs to use this opportunity as a breakthrough, deal with Cartel and try get this man to start send some positive message. To the youths them, you understand? And that is what me say. Like me I say, the first thing the man tell the youth them, stay out of jail and stay out of fuckery. And that's a man who spent 14 years of prison through thick and thin, never gave up hope, even when enough people I say rare, including me, come and say yo, with the evidence. But when I saw the brilliant move where the boy Isaac make, come even say Isaac a thief the man money, you know. But the brilliant move Isaac make at the Privy Council, they didn't go there on Ray, they went on skirt, meaning violation of the constitutional rights. Because I was kind of curious as to what was the Ray, but it explained it and it makes sense. You understand? You have a jury, tamper, retrial. You can't have judge and prosecutor and meet up with witness in a chamber and certain things. Plus there's a lot of other things that falls under that. And the thing is, like I said, if we go back and look at many cases of many people in Jamaica who's been charged or murdered by the justice system. I'm quite sure we're gonna have a lot of constitutional violations. So that's why I am saying this is a breakthrough and the government need to use this, rewrite the law, bring us up to speed to international standard, and I think that would help us as a country to get other things out there which other countries are getting and we are not, just on an international level, because the international community and the big brother them out there we are watch with, them love these things, and that's how I feel about it. Yo, KARTEL are the greatest dancehall artists walk the planet right now, and like me say, them little boy are out here we say them are artists, the blood clot. Now KARTEL come, yo, una have to show una motion, and that's how me feel. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.